जब हम पीरियड्स बोलते हैं आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या होता है?
I get a little embarrassed maybe. दर्द होता है.
दर्द होता है.
Chocolates.
Terrific pain.
It's always aching. Yes.
बहुत दर्द होता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yo Mumbai, this is Bijal from the channel The Bakchod. आज हम मुंबई की छोरियों को पूछने वाले हैं कि उनको पीरियड्स के वक्त कितनी दिक्कतें होती है. अगर आपको इन सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देखना है तो आप पूरा वीडियो देखिए. Let's go! Should companies give you a paid leave on the first day of your periods?
I think yes.
Yes, of course they should give.
As we are in a world of gender equality, I feel it is manageable.
तब तो लड़कों को भी पीरियड्स होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
If we take a leave, हमारा burden जाता है male members पे. So it shouldn't be like that कि हमारे वजह से वो लोग suffer करें. और necessary नहीं है सबको leave ज़रूरत हो.
I feel it is important because you know your back gets broken even though your back is not broken. Your stomach actually just gives those punches.
कमर का दर्द मूव ले आओ.
Yeah, exactly, and even that won't work. And mostly women need a lot of rest. You know, women work a lot. Their mind. It's really essential that when they take rest, they'll be able to perform better in their workspace.
I think it's a good move. A lady needs rest in the first day, and that's the requirement of her body.
They'll be more comfortable at home. Like it's not a problem working, but the fact that you have to go out and stuff is mainly a problem.
I think we all have been working right on our first days. Yeah. Be it school, be it office. I think till now we all been doing the same thing. What kind of mood swings? आपको क्या craving होती है during periods?
Irritation.
मन करता है सामने वाले को जाके फोड़ दूँ.
Seriously. बहुत झगड़ा करने का मन.
आपने कभी किया है ऐसा?
नहीं, not yet.
A girl on periods is much more dangerous than anyone, you know. वो literally किसी को फोड़ सकती है.
I don't even like people talking to me.
Yeah, she'd be like, please shut up.
मौन व्रत.
I feel like eating more sweet. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, that's yummy.
Yeah.
I feel like slapping everyone.
Why? That's a violent feeling.
Weird mood swings, like I'm just angry and then just happy all of a sudden, stuff like that.
That's dual nature.
Yeah,
angry, and happy.
I don't really get mood swings, but I like to cook and eat and sleep.
I don't get mood swings and all, but I would like to be the way I want to, and if anyone tells me to do anything, I get really pissed off.
Ice creams, chocolates, cupcakes. These are the most essential items. And yeah, teddy bears if a girl likes.
Teddy bears.
Yeah.
How cliche.
So yeah, you should understand if you're talking to a woman on periods, like you should understand her perspective and just be away from her. Okay, it's like otherwise she'll just एक cat कैसे नोचेगा, she'll do that to you.
Men, you better be away during our periods. Suppose आपके periods शुरू हो गए, ठीक है? आप अपना डेट तो भूल गए हो और आपके पास पैड भी नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे?
I'll ask my friends around to help me.
Like openly?
Yeah, I'm very open to it.
Okay. And what if there's no store around?
The newspaper.
Newspaper को कैसे?
No, tissue
paper, not newspaper. So you basically have to stuff so much tissue. कभी पैंट में दिखा कि tissue stuff किया तो how embarrassing it would be, right? अगर आप पार्टी में हुए और ये शुरू हो गया
तो फिर जनरली हुआ नहीं है, बट हो जाएगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम है.
पर वो प्रॉब्लम को आप टैकल कैसे करोगे?
मेडिकल स्टोर.
देखो मेडिकल स्टोर वालों 24/7 चालू रखना शुरू कर लो, ठीक है? क्योंकि पार्टी तो अभी शुरू ही है.
And actually it has happened with me once that I was in Bandra itself and then I just couldn't control and I thought कि अगर हो गया डेट पता नहीं था होगा और what I'm supposed to do, what to do. So it's like I just took the bus and just ran home. I mean, just luckily it was not that terrific.
Right. So I think women should carry a big jhola. Yeah, with your tissue paper, your toilet paper, your pads, your everything.
like in New York, you get free sanitary pads in any local washroom or place you go. So that thing should, I think there are a lot of places who do that. I mean, they provide sanitary napkins. That is very important. It is very embarrassing अगर कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया तो.
Right.
Women should take care of herself basically.
अगर मर्दों को पीरियड्स हो गया तो वो क्या गलत फायदा उठा सकते हैं?
Go to the club.
But first of all, अगर मर्दों को पीरियड्स हुआ तो do you think they'll go to the club?
They can, you know. I mean, they'll be like, चल कुछ तो ठीक करने के लिए we need beer.
वो tantrums नहीं उठा पाएंगे, उनका मूड स्विंग्स लेवल कुछ अलग ही रहेगा.
I can just imagine a scene जहाँ पे लड़का जाके अपनी मम्मी को बोल रहा है, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे पीरियड्स हो गया, अब मैं क्या करूँ?
They will start crying.
जो सब बोलते हैं मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है, मर्द को अगर पीरियड्स होगा तो उसको जरूर दर्द होगा, ये हमारी गारंटी है.
I think they are the hidden cry babies and they'll really cry over the pain and all that they have to go through.
What about you?
Without periods, I think men are anyway violent, so I'm sure when they'll be on their period, they'll be really pissed off and there'll be a lot of damage.
Damage of?
Surroundings and people.
Even I was thinking they'll be like over the top violent and it'll be like dangerous almost. So
Okay.
Exactly.
तो सबका व्यू ये है कि अगर लड़कों को पीरियड्स हो जाएगा तो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा वायलेंट हो जाएंगे. लड़के, इज दैट ट्रू? आर यू गोइंग टू बी वायलेंट? वी डोंट लाइक वायलेंस हियर. कैन यू एक्ट फॉर मी इफ यू आर अ गाय एंड यू आर ऑन पीरियड, लाइक हाउ योर रिएक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी? तो गाइस, जैसे आपने देखा कि हम लड़कियों को कितनी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ता है जब हम पीरियड्स पे होते हैं. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करिए. Raise your voice up so that people don't shut their mouths when they are on periods. Till then guys, subscribe to India's most fun unlimited channel, The Bakchod. This is Bijal signing off.